Alrighty, we are back at the gravel yard, pulling in. Look at that mountain of gravel.
Yesterday it was truck number 6. Correct. All right, thank you. Bye. That's the new iPhone 9000.
Hi, Teddy. We have a tag along today. He wanted to get out, enjoy some sunshine.
Now we wait. Looking good, looking good.
Yeah.
All right, guys, so TQ's paying right now. And then what they do is electronically send the receipt over. So I'll show you how they do it now. So you just open this window up, grab your receipt, close the window, and you're good to go. We don't even need human beings anymore. We thought we needed to replace everybody with robots. We don't even need humans anymore. We just do this all on our cell phones.
Alrighty.
We got to get out of here though. Semis are waiting on us.
Let's go pour this gravel.
Let's do it. Let's get her unlatched.
Try not to dump too much right here in one spot. Go for it. Slowly. Okay. Go.
You're in my area.
Pull this over here. I'm gonna stop at. Ooh, sweat. You sweating?
Nah, I ain't working. Hi, Tiggy. Hi. Are you just checking in, see what we're doing over here? Huh? Where you guys going? You out ranging? See how it's all pretty much to the left side. So that's exactly where we need it, like all right here. It's nice. See how the
this remote is so worth the money.
the gate of the trailer actually helps smooth it out some, which that's ideal on what you want it to do. But we might need a little bit more. I don't know. I'll let Shawn be the judge of that. Very cool, very cool. Definitely is coming in handy. Great investment for the business.
Yeah, I think we need a little more through here.
Just to thicken it up.
Yeah, it's a little low here.
Yeah.
Probably a couple ton. A couple more ton will do. This thing is amazing, guys. So I know this seems kind of excessive, right? Just to get mowers in and out of here. Well, we're gonna be bringing all kinds of equipment in and out of here. But this is also more parking for our trailers, potentially another truck whenever we do make that purchase. So we just wanna do it right whenever we're gonna do it so that it's ready to go down the road. And this is super nice now, guys. We're able to bring mowers in and out of here. They're clean. We can pressure wash them back here if we need to. And yeah, we can do everything up here rather than up front on the nice new concrete that doesn't look so new anymore, but as soon as we get back to summer, we'll pressure wash that and get it all cleaned up and get it looking good. But yeah, eventually we will get a plate compactor and compact this down really good. And also around this edge here, I'm probably gonna end up adding soil to that. So I'll bring the grass up a little bit higher, bring the ground up just a little bit higher, and then I'm gonna kind of taper it in right in front of the shed so the shed doesn't seem like it's so high off the ground. But I also wanna get a animal barrier under there, like a chicken wire or something under the shed, so we don't have to worry about animals wanting to go up under there and make it their home. And then we'll bring dirt right in front of it. So yeah, we're just moving along with projects. So TQ, you know I couldn't let you be the only one getting on a mower.
I know, I seen what you did.
What did I do?
You hopped on a mower, brought it out here, and tried to act like you were doing something.
I slightly may have got a little bit jealous she was on the mower the last couple of days.
Yeah, well, you know, you should have just said something and I would have let you.
I miss it.
Maybe.
I miss
But
it.
I will say, those tires on that Toro Titan are pretty aggressive.
They're nice. I can't wait to see how they do on the lawn. That's a new tire, so
The tread are pretty major.
yeah, I think they're gonna be good though. They have a nice soft feel to them, but we'll see once we get on the lawn and see if we rip anything up with them. I don't anticipate that, but yeah, we achieved what we wanted to do here, guys. We got a elongated driveway. We got a ramp into the shed now. We can come in and out easily. We got more parking.
More parking, yeah. I will say that we do need to add some of this over in our initial drive.
I agree.
Just a nice layer over top of it, pack it down.
Yep.
I think she'd be good.
Absolutely. So as always,
Keep mowing.
keep growing.
Keep making money, boys.
We'll talk to you later.
TQ out.
Peace.
Bye.
Bye.